Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy. So there is an interesting update for all of you and a very good news for all NEET PG aspirants. All of you who are watching this video right now, there is a great news for you guys that Unacademy has launched its first channel for NEET PG, FMG and your college professional exam. So it's not just a channel where you will get bits of videos or you will get some content or motivational stuff. मतलब across the entire YouTube, I don't think you will find any channel where you have the entire curriculum of NEET PG under one banner. So it is Unacademy's attempt to create such kind of platform, such kind of free platform or free resource platform onto this channel, right? So this will be your one-stop solution for all your NEET PG queries. This will be your one-stop solution for all your FMG related queries and also for your college professional examination. Me and 19 other top faculties would be teaching you their individual subjects, right? And even the number of teachers can go more than 19 also. So just under one banner, just under one channel, you will be getting help for all the topics, all the subjects, and the entire syllabus would be taught to you on this platform. Right? Not just bits of video, not just some mechanism, not just some question practice, all of it. The entire bouquet of it would be presented to you on this platform, right? So what you have to do, you have to subscribe this channel right away. And what is the name of the channel? I'll tell you in a while. Just before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Anand Mani. I'm a NEET PG faculty for physiology. I'll be teaching you physiology over this platform. And I'm an alumni from Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital in New Delhi. I have been teaching NEET PG aspirants for over 4 years now, and now I have an opportunity to interact with you guys, right? So it would be an amazing experience for all of us, right? So the name of our channel is Let's Crack NEET PG. Bang on. What is our goal? That is the name of our channel, and it will keep you a constant reminder for this. So we are just entering in the field of NEET PG with India's best faculty that would be guiding you through this endeavor, right? I would also like you to introduce the Let's Crack It anthem that has gone viral, that has seen 33 million views as of now, right? So Let's Crack It anthem is very, very beautiful song which would give you a surge of adrenaline. So I would like you to hear it. So here is the Let's Crack It anthem.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. India will awake to life and freedom.
चल उठ जा, let's crack it, जोर दे लगा, let's crack it, भीड़ को छोड़ दे, let's crack it, रास्ते मोड़ दे, let's crack it, चल उठ जा, let's crack it, जोर दे लगा, let's crack it, भीड़ को छोड़ दे, let's crack it, रास्ते मोड़ दे, let's crack it।
साधारण सी है ये बात, परीक्षा करनी है पास, रोक के रखना अपनी सांस, अपनी एक ही आस पीछे सारे मंत्र और रट ले सारे फॉर्मूले, जब तक पार लगे ना नहीं है तब तक रेस्ट ना तू ले। तो इस बार तू आड़ दे, 6 फुट अंदर गाड़ दे, आसमां को फाड़ दे, जरा जोर से दहाड़ दे, अंदर की आवाज सुन जो तेरे भीतर आई है। जोर लगा तो जोर लगा,
let's crack it,
लड़ जरा कुछ कर दिखा,
let's crack it,
लड़ जरा कुछ कर दिखा,
let's crack it,
जोर लगा तो जोर लगा, लड़ जरा कुछ कर दिखा। दुकानें है बड़ी, इनकी भोगते बड़ा भारी है, बिका है पकवान इनका, शिक्षा के व्यापारी है। एक नंबर तेरा काम, फीस यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा है, तू बाकियों से पीछे है, तू देख तो कितना नीचे है। उसके बाप का सिक्का चलता है, तेरा बाप कमाता सिक्के है। मत सुन इनकी ये धुन इनकी, तू बढ़ता जा बस लड़ता जा, क्रैक करते जा, क्रैक करते जा। जोर लगा तो जोर लगा, लड़ जरा कुछ कर दिखा।
चल उठ जा, let's crack it, जोर दे लगा, let's crack it, भीड़ को छोड़ दे, let's crack it, रास्ते मोड़ दे, let's crack it, चल उठ जा, let's crack it, जोर दे लगा, let's crack it, भीड़ को छोड़ दे, let's crack it, रास्ते मोड़ दे, let's crack it।
बेटा सिस्टम का ये जोड़, तेरे हाथ में ही सब गोल, तू है भटका हुआ भूगोल,
let's crack it,
देगी तुझको बस ये दुनिया, खूब निराशा खूब हताशा,
When we shall
खूब
redeem
निराशा खूब हताशा। मत सुन इनकी ये धुन इनकी, तू बढ़ता जा बस लड़ता जा, क्रैक करते जा, क्रैक करते जा। जोर लगा तो जोर लगा,
let's crack
हाथ में है करने का अभी मौका तेरे पास में है, करते जा लड़ते जा, हिम्मत नहीं हार, सबको करके दिखा। क्या तेरा भाई तेरा दोस्त तुझसे बोल रहा, कर दिखा लड़के दिखा।
So that was the Let's Crack It anthem from our side, and I hope you like the song, and it is very motivating, it is very instigating, right? The song itself, the beat itself, it's very instigating, matlab it's very provoking that you do something good. So we will be here, we will be supporting you on this platform. We'll be coming up with a lot of videos, lot of content, lot of motivation, lot of strategies, and everything will be bundled under one head. That will be the channel named Let's Crack NEET PG. So what you have to do is right away subscribe to this channel, then I'll talk about the Unacademy Plus platform. I guess all of you guys must have heard about the Unacademy app, right? So we also have a Plus platform, which is a paid subscription based platform. Subscription based as in like you watch Netflix, so you take a subscription and you can see n number of videos. Same is the pattern over here, where you have to take a subscription, be it of 1 year, be it of 2 years, be it of 6 months, be it of 3 months, right? And you can avail the entire Unacademy platform, all its teachers. In the initial days, what you had to do is that you take a subject. Suppose if you have gone to an X institute, so but you liked this faculty of that institute, that faculty of matlab you like microbiology of certain X institute, you liked pharmacology of certain Y institute. So it was in a hustle way, matlab it was not very synchronized, it was not very in a single pattern, right? So on Unacademy, you have the ability to choose between n number of educators. We have like 30 plus top educators, 30 plus India's best faculty on this platform. So you can choose between them. Suppose there will be several number of teachers teaching you physiology, there will be several number of teachers teaching you microbiology, there will be several number of teachers teaching you anatomy. So you can choose between them, right? And you can follow the certain educators. So this is the benefit that you get onto our Plus platform, right? And it is for every student. If you are most of you take VSAT courses from different institutes, it is way better than VSAT course because you are being taught live. Secondly, you get a chance for one-on-one interaction that is not seen in the entire NEET PG. Any class you take, you don't get to ask questions, right? Be it seminars, be it anywhere you study, you just don't get to ask questions. You just keep on writing notes, you keep on writing notes. So we have eliminated that problem for you. We are undergoing live classes for you guys, right? Which are limited batch strength, so that you can understand the concepts properly and you just don't mug it up all, right? So this is for every student. Even if you are taking a drop, even if you are going through your internship, even if you are in your college second year, third year or fourth year, so this will benefit you in your college examination also, and it will also benefit you for your NEET PG examination also. Plus it will also benefit foreign medical graduate exam because we have different vertical or different sets of teacher teaching for that also, right? So how is it different from the traditional teaching platform? I already told you that it has a very good aura. What matlab, it is very interactive. I have been teaching for over 1 year now on this platform. It is very interactive. You can ask all your queries and doubts, and you can clear all your problems. You can clear all your problems under a single head, right? So this is a very interactive platform for you guys. Secondly, who are the educators? So you will get India's top faculty on this platform. All of you, name an educator and you will find them on Unacademy, right? So this is a very revolutionizing platform where you will find India's best faculty. So you have the choice to study from the faculty you understand most, right? So this benefit is also you are getting on this platform. Secondly, there are limited number of students and you can study from the convenience of your home. I remember when I was in medical college, what I had to do is I had to go to a certain hotel or certain seminar room early in the morning, like 9 AM or 8 AM, and we were having classes for 12 hours straight. Many of you can relate with it, right? So we have broken that barrier. Now you take 1.5 hour classes. You don't also have to take notes. you just can download the PDF annotations. So it has become very easy and convenient for all you guys, be it the note taking part, be it the concept understanding part, be it your body cycle. Matlab, see, everyone has a certain ability to retain stuff, everyone has a certain limit to understand stuff. Taking 12 hours a class, I don't think after 4 or 5 hours we used to understand anything. So we have broken that pattern for you over here, right? And this is the interaction classroom. This is the classroom, how it looks like. So here you can see my face, right? Here would be the slide, whatever I am teaching. And secondly, what you will be getting here is the chat section where you can ask your doubts. We can also conduct polls. We can also conduct different kinds of things onto this platform, right? So this will be very helpful and fruitful to you, so that you can attain good score. And plus all these lessons will be available for you in form of recording. So whenever you want to revise a certain concept, you just go to the app, find that lecture, and you can start revising at different speed. You can revise it at 1.25x speed, you can revise it at 1.50x speed, right? So that benefit also you get onto this platform. When can I learn? You can learn anywhere, because this is a app based platform. All you require is an internet connection, be it your laptop, be it your phone, be it your tablet. You can study anywhere, even if you are undergoing your internship. Between that period also, matlab, it is up to you. Matlab, when you want to study, even if you are not able to attend a live class, you can see the recordings whenever you want, right? So that benefit is also with you, right? Where can I learn? I already told you. And what will you be getting onto the Plus platform? So it is a bouquet of entire things. You will be getting test series, you will be getting doubt clearing session, you will be getting live classes and recorded session, plus you will be getting PDF notes. Notes also you can download, so you don't have to write the notes, you can focus on the concepts at hand, right? So you don't have to make your own note. The educator's note would be available to you. Just all you need to do is that download the PDF annotation, right? Acha, now why should I take Plus? Certain lines I have already laid down all the parts for you. Choice of educator, you get to choose from whom you want to study. Secondly, you can learn anywhere and anytime. The classroom is interactive. This is very important because you won't find it anywhere in the entire NEET PG community. You won't find interactive classrooms, right? Secondly, you get quizzes for your practicing skills. You get live classes, doubt sessions, and everything. So this is a one-stop solution for all your NEET PG thing, right? All you need to do is just you have to take a subscription. I'll tell you how to enroll to a subscription. See, you get test series also. So you have n number of test series also. Suppose you have 44 courses for clinical subjects. Now see, you have 29 courses for paraclinical subjects, and you have 16 courses for preclinical subjects. So you have several batch courses also going and several practice courses also going. So you have n number of courses which you can choose and you can study. If I want to study, suppose if I want to study hematology, but my institute is teaching some different subjects, so I can refer to a different educator who might be teaching hematology, right? So it is very convenient. It is very user friendly. It is made from the student's perspective, right? Not from the educator's perspective. It has been made from the student's perspective, where you can attain maximum benefit. So what you have to do is you have to download the Unacademy app. This is mandatory. This is a free app that you can download. Download the Unacademy app. Go to our Plus platform. Plus pay, you select the goal. Your goal would be NEET PG, right? Goal NEET PG. Then go to the Plus platform. Go to Plus. In Plus platform, you will get an option of get subscription. Take whatever subscription you feel like. You can take like a 3-month subscription. You can take like 6-month subscription. You can take any subscription you want. So for 1 month subscription, it is 5,000, very cheap. For 3 months, it is 12,500. For 6 months, it is 20,000. For 12 months, it is 25,000. And for 24 months, it is 40,000. And the best part is that you don't have to pay this much also. For a limited time period, you get a flat discount of 10% if you use my referral code. My name is Anand, and if you use my referral code AnandPG, you will get a flat 10% discount. You will get a flat 10% discount on all the courses. So all you have to do is take a time period of subscription. What you are buying over is you are buying time, and you can take n number of courses. Matlab, if you have the ability to complete your entire syllabus in 3 months, all you need is a 3-month subscription, right? So this is totally dependent on to you ki how you want to study and how much time you want to prepare, right? So you can take your subscription accordingly and get onto the Plus platform. I have also several courses running onto this Plus platform, and you can study from me also, right? So this is for 1 year, and this is for 2 year. So for 2 year it would be 36,000 after discount. You have to use this referral code AnandPG. This is mandatory. If you use this referral code AnandPG, you will get an instant 10% discount. So get enrolled, start early, and you can do great. Matlab, this Unacademy has proven commendable results in UPSC, in NEET UG, in IIT JEE, any field that it has entered, it has given very great results. Okay? So now this is your turn to make the best of it, right guys? So that's it from my side. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it right away. Share this video with all your friends and peers, right? And if you are enrolling to the Plus platform, use the referral code AnandPG to get 10% discount. Okay, so bye bye guys. I'll see you in classes, and I'll be teaching you physiology. My name is Dr. Anand Manvi. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.